Mga ate, I love you. Boss? 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 Brandon?
Kaya lang naman kita binilan ng Paris kasi favorite mo yun eh. And not because kuripot ako.
Kaya nga, na-appreciate ko yung ginawa mo eh.
You do?
Ibig sabihin nun, magpe-pay attention ka sa mga bagay na gusto ko. Halika na, huwag ka na magtampo.
The highlights, you're my lifeline as we take our flight. Let's paint the sky in different lights, holding on to all that we could be. Gonna make it bright.
And don't worry. Tama naman yung mga ate mo. I'll show them kung gaano ako kaseryoso sa'yo. Boss.
Copy po.
Sunny days, sacrifices, compromises.